Welcome to another edition of Expert Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the hand massager. This is a smart hand massager. Has an airbag massage, warm compress in 3 modes. And I got this because I have arthritis in my thumbs here. And so heat is good. And I thought about getting one of those wax things, but that just seemed like it would be way too much trouble and too much mess. And so I saw this and I thought, well, this looks like kind of a good thing that will kind of do the same thing but be a lot easier to deal with than a hot wax machine. So here we go. Here's the device itself. You also of course get the instruction manual. Has all the pertinent information you need, tell you how to use it. And I'm not sure what that is. Probably a little protective bag maybe that you put it in so it doesn't get dirty when you're not using it, I'm guessing. And then you get your Type-C USB to Type-C cord to charge it because it is wireless, cordless, rechargeable. There's your Type-C port right there. That's how you're going to charge it up. And you can see it's nice. Oh wow, it's different than I thought it would be inside. It's like a nice silky material. My hand fits in there quite well. And I'm going to just describe for you, there's a place for each of my fingers. It's not like this is all one thing. There's actually dividers up here for my fingers, which is kind of cool, and a place for your thumb. And then you have your power. This is, I think, your intensity. This is probably the different modes, and then this would be to change the heat level, because there's various heat levels. And yeah, nicely made. I mean, it's not heavy at all, which is great. Nice, lightweight, nice material. Seems like it'd be easy to clean if it does get dirty, which is good. Yeah, so that's it, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.